Data blocks are used to break up the overall data collected in the system. Splitting the data into smaller blocks allows the system to run more efficiently. There are different options available for splitting the data. To navigate to the data blocks section, select the three-line menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Administration from the menu. Select Data. On the data blocks home screen, select the Auto Close Settings option in the top right corner of the screen. On the Settings window, there will be three options available for when to close a data block. To enable an option, check the box. You can choose one or more options. The system will use the first option that occurs. Events are used to enter the total number of monitoring point events to occur before closing the block. Samples are used to enter a total number of counts and/or samples to occur before closing the block. Time period is used to enter the total number of days to elapse before closing the block. We suggest closing the block every 30 days. Enable the time period option. Type in 30 in the time period field. Select Save. Close the settings window by selecting the X. Once a block has been archived or is in an active state, the user can select the three-dot ellipsis. For archived or closed blocks, the option shown will be Export to Excel. Selecting this option will automatically download an Excel spreadsheet containing all of the data in the block. For current blocks, there will be two options available: Export to Excel and Close Block. Selecting the Close Block option will close or archive the current block and automatically create a new block.